Hey everyone, this is John Rollins, here to show you my 2014 Ram 2500. This is a crew cab, long bed, 4-wheel drive, tradesman package with a 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel, automatic transmission. Of course the truck is 4-wheel drive. It's got the chrome package. You've got chrome front and rear bumpers, factory tow package, Bedliner, Gooseneck hitch. Then both the driver's side and the passenger side of this truck are in beautiful shape. It is 100% stock exhaust, stock tuning. The truck's got tow mirrors, cab lights, of course chrome wheels, chrome front bumper, chrome grille, tow hooks. Very sharp, clean truck. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Black door panels. This truck has full power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. You got gray seats, cloth seats, 6-passenger seating. Seats are in beautiful shape, no rips or tears. Center console does lift up for the 6-passenger. Truck's got a rubber floor, which the floor is in great shape. Tilt. Cruise controls on the steering wheel. This truck has 103,854 miles. There's your radio, climate controls, factory trailer brake controller, traction control, of course your tow haul, factory exhaust brake, 4-wheel drive shifters on the floor. You've got two 12-volt outlets, one there, one right over there. You've got plenty of storage here in the center console. You've got a USB and auxiliary input for your radio, to play songs through your radio, so radio files. Driver rear door panels in beautiful shape as well. Now in the rear seats, the bottoms lift up all the way across. You've got storage under the seat, as well as you've got these two storage cuddies right here built into the floor. Rear floor is in beautiful shape as well. Here's another look at your dash. There is some light staining on the outside of this seat here and the seat bottoms in the rear. Nothing that it picks up more of it on camera, but in person it's not that bad. Headliner is in beautiful shape. Front passenger door panel again looks perfect. Your jack, everything is located below the passenger seat. .7 liter Cummins turbo diesel. Again, the truck's all stock. You've got a stock airbox, stock exhaust. No blow-by. My name's John Rollins. If you're interested in this truck and have any questions, feel free to contact me directly at 614-563-9999. I do have financing, I take trades, I have nationwide shipping. Give me a call. Thank you.